5 Genius Hacks. Travel light, flex luxury. Planning a trip to Dubai, but worried about overpacking? Don't stress. Here's the ultimate guide to packing smart, staying stylish, and saving space. I choose the right suitcase. When visiting Dubai, a city known for its luxury and heat, a lightweight yet durable suitcase, like the Samsonite Cosmolite 75L, is ideal. It protects your designer pieces while keeping things organized during your travels. To master the mix and match outfit strategy, on my 5-day trip to Dubai, I packed just 3 versatile outfits: white linen pants, a silk blouse, and a flowy maxi dress. By adding accessories like statement sunglasses and a silk scarf, I created 7 different looks, from a desert safari to brunch at the iconic Burj Khalifa. 3. Maximize space and minimize weight. Rolling silk and linen clothes, instead of folding them, not only prevents wrinkles, but also saves up to 40% of suitcase space. I also used a mini vacuum seal bag for my lightweight evening jacket for my rooftop dinner at Burj Al Arab. For tech essentials for the perfect Insta shots. To capture dreamy shots at the luxurious Atlantis Hotel, I brought my DJI Osmo gimbal for smooth videos and a 20,000 mAh Anker power bank to keep my devices fully charged all day long. 5. Prepare for the hot days and cool nights. During my stroll through the famous Gold Souk, a breathable cotton tee kept me comfortable in the heat. But when dining on a luxury yacht at Dubai Marina, a lightweight blazer added elegance and warmth for the cool evening breeze. Conclusion: Dubai is the epitome of luxury and style, so your packing game needs to match the vibe. With these smart hacks, you'll travel light, stay stylish, and enjoy every moment of your adventure.